Now another question, they said that this patient has a long-term risk of. So I think that this was not the exact image but a similar image. A similar image, something like this had come, and the students told me that eye was not involved, it was around the eye, and some nevus kind of a thing was given. Then there were certain students who said that it was Sturge-Weber syndrome and there was the port wine stain. There was a port wine stain. Okay. So first of all, can you clear me with this? That was it a nevus or it was a port wine stain? However, the answer to this question will not change. Can you tell me, guys, what did you mark? What did you mark in this? Basal cell carcinoma, cataract, glaucoma, or the malignant melanoma. I think many of the students who said that this is a nevus, they marked the malignant melanoma, and many of the students who thought that this was a port wine stain going with this Sturge-Weber syndrome, they marked this congenital glaucoma. Yes, so somebody is telling that this was a nevus. Yes. So, okay. So, many students are saying that it is actually nevus. Now, guys, you will have to tell me that when they are asking you about the long-term risk, whether they ask the most common complication or the most severe. Most common complication or the most severe, and as I told you always in the classes also, the most common is never the most severe also. They are always apart, they are different. So if they are asking you most common, then it is glaucoma. Okay, glaucoma. While if they are asking you most severe, only then it is malignant melanoma. It was not the port wine stain. So Vinay is telling very clearly that it was not a port wine stain. So even if it was not a port wine stain and we were having a nevus, see, most common complication then also is glaucoma, because it's clearly written according to the American Academy of Ophthalmology, glaucoma is occurring in 2/3 of the patients. While malignant melanoma, this is common, it is present in 51% of the people, especially if there is a giant nevus. So even if it is a normal nevus, then it is not that much. If we are having a giant nevus, then we are having the risk of malignant melanoma in 51%, and even if it is a small nevus, we are having the risk of glaucoma in 2/3 of the patients. So most they are just the long term. So when they are not saying anything, obviously you have to go with the most common. Most common is the glaucoma, most severe is the malignant melanoma. Now वैसे भी you know melanoma is a tumor and tumor cannot be the most common complication. So the long-term complication that we can have, so better answer is a glaucoma out of glaucoma and the malignant melanoma, right?